Do you want to be able to transfer files wirelessly from your Android phone, and not just an Android but from any Android, onto your Windows laptop? That also wirelessly without having to use any of your cables. By the end of this video, you will be able to seamlessly transfer files, photos, or any of the other file formats directly from your Android to your laptop running Windows or vice versa. Now in this case, you don't have to install any sort of application on your Android phone, but on Windows, we do have to download an official application from Google. Just open your browser and search for Quickshare for Windows. Click on the first link from android.com, else I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Here you can read all there is to it about Quickshare for Windows. Then, just click on the Download Quickshare button. If it shows Unverified Download blocked, click on it once and select Download the unverified file. You might need to turn off safe browsing on your browser to be able to download it. Once downloaded, navigate to the respective folder where you have downloaded the file. Now you can see Quickshare Setup file. Right-click on it and run it as an administrator, and we will simply install the application. You can see the installation process is beginning itself. There's really nothing you have to do. You just have to sit and wait until the installation has completed successfully. Once the installation has been completed, you could go to your search menu and you can search for the Quickshare app. Now you can launch it. You may need to turn on Bluetooth on both of your devices. So go to the bottom right of the control center and enable Bluetooth. Here, under Who Can Share With You, you can set this to everyone temporarily. Now I'm going to show you by sending a file from my Android phone to my computer. So, on my OnePlus phone, I can simply launch the File Manager app. I can navigate to any documents that I want to send. Long press on a certain file or photo. Then from the bottom, tap on Share. Then select the option Quick Share. Quick Share will already be installed on most of the Android devices by default. When done, you can see it will ask me to enable Bluetooth. So turn on Bluetooth. As you've done that, as long as you have followed the steps correctly, you can see my computer will show up on the list. Just click on your computer, and on your PC, it will ask you for a permission if you want to accept. Click on the Accept button. Once you've done that, now I can go ahead and then open up that document. You can see under which location it has been sent as well. So now I can go ahead and then simply learn and open that document in this case. Now, I'll also show you how you can do this in reverse. On your Android phone, make sure that Quickshare is enabled. Just look for the Quickshare settings from your control panel. Most of your Android devices will have this setting by default. If not, go to your settings and search for Quickshare. Now once done, you can see Who Can Share With You. I will set this to Visible to Nearby Devices and agree to the terms and conditions. Select Everyone Nearby. Now on my PC, I can simply drag a file or a folder that I wish to send to my Android phone. So let me select a certain image and I can just drag it onto Quickshare. Once done, it will look for devices, and as long as you have followed the setups correctly, you'll be able to see your phone on the list. Then what you can do is simply click on your phone, approve the notification or the pop-up that you receive on your phone, and click the Accept button. As you've done that, you can see we've successfully received the file on our Android device. And this is a simple process on how you can transfer files seamlessly from your Windows to Android wirelessly, or from Android to Windows, vice versa. This is my first ever video on YouTube, and if this video did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll make sure to bring you more updated tech tips and tutorials such as these. If you have any more questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section, As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.